Proof that a fool and his money are soon parted. It's surprise package time. Surprise package time. Surprise package time. What did I order? I don't know. Cause I ordered it a long time ago. Surprise package time. Surprise package time. Oh man, this thing's really taped. Oh, okay. Making some progress here. Another surprise from my secret Santas at AliExpress. It's only secret because I don't remember what it is. Well, this is full of a lot of parts, whatever this thing is. I think it's all the same item, though. I wonder if it's that clock thing I ordered. I do recall a clock somewhere. Well, if it is, I don't recall the clock saying you had to assemble it yourself. Beat thing? Tiny beat? Wonder what they're beating. Another perverted joke in there somewhere. Interesting. Music reactive. Oh, hey, this is my sound bar. Get in here. This is, I'd rather say, kind of classy looking. Although, looks like the living crap's been scuffed out of it. And there's no plastic film to remove the scuffs, from what I can see. Oh, come on. I hope there's a plastic film that comes off of this thing. Well, I guess not. You know what? Let's plug this in and see how well it works. Alright, got this all plugged in, and it looks like it's functioning. It's got a little microphone built into it, which is good, because now I can find out whether or not I'm being entirely too loud in my room. How much I'm annoying my neighbors. This is a meter of how much I am currently annoying my neighbors. I gotta be very quiet here. Actually, you can turn the responsiveness of this up and down. I think. Either that or this just changes modes. No, maybe that changes modes. Okay, this doesn't respond to anything. This responds. This responds a little too much. I don't know what's going on here. Okay, how about this? This is something that's responding to my voice. Responding to my voice. Well, let's go see what the other package was. This is something that's responding to my voice. Responding to my voice. Responding to my voice. This is something that's responding to my voice. Responding to my voice. No, serious, I'll stop. And we're back. Let's see what else we got in this incredible pile of random stuff. Again, I think they actually managed to package up several things that I ordered, so this isn't just one item. That's the first demonstrated. Ooh. This will be really cool. This is supposed to hold a Nixie tube, which I'm hoping they included because I couldn't really understand the ad. If they didn't include the Nixie tube, then this is all I have. Okay, let's see. Maybe it's one of these other little boxes. Oh, man. Yeah, this is a dented box. And a Nixie tube is a fragile item, so I might be holding broken glass somewhere in here. Yes, this is the Nixie tube. Sweet. And a warning sticker that I can't read. Yay! I think you can, come on, focus on me. You can kind of make out the little tiny symbols. I got the one that did symbols. If this works out, I'm going to order another one and do one that gets numbers too. How do you? You know, I bet that warning sticker is like, hey, make sure to install this the right way or it could be a problem. And I don't know. Oh, thank God. Okay. There's a little tiny space. So even a retard like myself can figure this out. I don't love it when they make it foolproof, because they should big fool to deal with here. I believe this is USB powered, although I can't find the port for it. Oh, there we go. Okay, well, let's rush back into my little testing area and give this one a try. Okay, now, moment of truth. Hopefully not a rain of sparks. Plug this in. I think it goes this way. I wonder if that's normal, if it's just warming up. This serves no purpose whatsoever. This is just a little weird thing to sit in the corner. Let's see, it's got a couple buttons too. I'll do something. Oh, cool. You can speed it up, I guess. The labeling shows pictures of stuff that is every bit mysterious as the symbols themselves. You know, my grandmother, or no, my father. That's right, my father would call the television an idiot box. It's like, you have no idea what dumb things come in boxes. Yep, I'm in love. This is awesome. I totally am going to order another one with as numbers. And then I'm going to put them together in different corners of my room. Just so that any poor soul that comes to visit my apartment will go, what the hell is that? Ooh, I wonder if I can make it sound activated. Or hook it up to a power thing controlled by my Amazon Echo, and then I could just go, Alexa, Omega mode.
Sorry, I don't have an answer for that.
She doesn't have that one yet. But soon I'll be able to say that. I will command my Echo to go into Omega mode. It'll just turn these on, and people will think I've either started a time machine or a nuclear bomb. Okay, there is still more stuff in that package. Let's go find out. I have returned. All right, let's see what else we got here. Some sort of, just a piece of plastic. It's a nice piece of plastic. I don't recall ordering a piece of plastic. Actually, it's a bit of a lie, because I do recall one thing that could have a piece of plastic like this. So I think, see, we won't scratch the hell out of this. I think we might be in for a treat here. Oh my God, I cannot get in here. I really don't want to damage the plastic, but this ain't letting go. Come on, you. Surrender to my power. Okay. It's supposed to do that? Ooh. Tape to peel off. Oh, come here, you. Ooh. Ooh. Yep, I'm gonna be one of those people that's overly impressed when they peel tape from plastic. Alright, this is a case that fits possibly the coolest clock ever. This has to be that said clock. Oh look, the instructions on the last thing. That are actually written in English. Cool. I'll be able to find out what the heck that last dilly bob does with all them little buttons. But, well, I gotta see this. I have to see this. Oh, gimme. Let's see, when did I order this? It was over a month ago for sure. I think I was sober. I don't know. I didn't order all these things on the same day, so it's interesting if they all showed up at once. Another gigantic flipping package. Including... Oh, this is a stand for the sound thingy. Alright. Let's get to the main show here. The piece de la resistance. The ultimate demonstration of awesomeness and questionable spending behavior. Whoa. The cool clock. Okay, they tell me that this blackened area back here, totally normal. So no need to worry about that. It's just part of the testing process to make sure that the vacuum tube is vacuum tubed. Oh, okay. Prepare yourselves for awesomeness. I'm gonna go plug this in right now. Okay, folks, moment of truth. Moment of truth. Did this survive shipping? Oh my God. If I plug this in and it doesn't work, it's going to be so very, very sad. Oh, here we go. Oh. It totally did survive shipping. Oh my God. It's a little time machine. Wasn't this in Back to the Future? Because if it wasn't, it should have been. Doc Brown should have had one of these on the front panel of the DeLorean. Oh, that's so cool. You know, just like they said on the internet, these in person appear kind of green. They don't look blue. And of course, these lights aren't nearly as bright in person either. So you can actually make out the color, because right now all you're seeing is a lot of white with hints that there's color involved. God, look at it. It backlighted all the chips. Like this, there's transparent parts of the motherboard. So you get backlight. Like this chip right here, I'm pretty sure it's just a power regulator. I've never seen a power regulator backlit before. That is so excessively awesome. I think these are touch buttons. Let's see. It's 21.5 centigrade, which is either as hot as the surface of the sun or as cold as the abominable snowman. I don't know, because I'm American and that measurement means nothing to me. Let's see. This is the date. What's that? Well, it's close to accurate. The time's off. I have to go through the instructions and set all this stuff, because it is not 6:40 for starters. Let's see. Ooh. Oh, isn't that cute? Little power switch. Ah, it's friendly. The future is friendly. I know, nobody believes that. Not since fucking 2020. So let's see. This is the case that it came in. I can put it all delicately under glass. Well, not glass. I put it delicately under plastic to keep the dust off of it. Let's bring it down. Bring it down. You'll see the reflection of my hairy legs. Don't worry about it. Oh, you know what? Even with the extra reflections, I think it looks even slightly cooler. So, man, if you order one of these, that extra like $5 for the plastic case, totally worth it. Okay, I'm going to go dig through all of my AliExpress orders. I'm going to find links to all these. I'm going to put them in the description so you can go find this cool, awesome stuff yourself. This is by far the best collection of stuff I think I've ever gotten. Check it out. There is a remote to this thing. I don't know what it does. Let's see. Brightness? No? Well, the power button works. I figured that one out. I don't know what the rest of these do. This does not say a lot. Oh, wait. There's something for speed. I'm pretty sure that's not just a drug dispenser. Although this thing is a miracle, so... I mean, maybe it does dispense speed when you press the button. Okay, no drugs are coming out of this. I wonder what speed it sets. Well, I don't know. It's cool. It does that thing that you're supposed to do with vacuum tubes where it runs all the numbers occasionally just to refresh them. Okay. I think I'm going to wrap this video up because it's already getting too long anyways. So, thanks for tuning in to another amazing, shocking, surprise-laden version of Surprise Package Time! Woo!